Welcome to Goa International Airport.
I'm on my way to the airport right now. My house will to the airport. Packed and I'm flying to Goa. And my parents do not know that I'm coming, so it's gonna be another surprise. So these were the two big surprises that I planned of the year. The first one was a proposal, and the second one is visiting my family after 2 years. So in the morning, my mom woke me up thinking she's waking me up for work, but she did not know that I'm catching a flight to Goa.
You came with a warning. I should have seen it. My bad for falling. I'm far from perfect, but I know what my worth is. More than you're giving. What goes up comes back down. What goes out comes around. You're so dumb or reckless. You already reckless. What goes up comes back down. And your day will come around.
Hi, do you know where you are going? Where are you traveling? Where are you
Goa.
traveling? Goa?
From London to Goa.
London to Goa?
Directly. Yeah.
How many suitcases?
My parents do not know that I'm coming, and I'm continuously saying it because my excitement has been building up and building up and building up. It's so difficult to keep a secret from my dad because I always tell him every detail and of my life, and he knows everything. So at the moment they think I'm working, so don't bring it so close. At the moment they think I'm at work, so I told them that I'm having a very busy day, so do not disturb, do not call me up or something like that. I will call when I'm on my way home. So I'm going to tell my mom, my dad, I'm going to be like, I'm on my way home. But I did not tell them which home. But I'm not lying, you see. I'm smart. This is the state of
Air India.
Oh my god, welcome on board. How do you feel like?
Yeah. I think Modi should, put money in this. I mean, promote instead of building temples. I think this is more important to do businesses. I mean, look at this. Let me open it up for you. Do you see this? The
It's
yellow?
all stained. It's
Yeah.
all stained everywhere. It's disgusting. The bags are open. See
Yeah,
the
Mr. Modi.
In this regard, your special attention is requested to the announcements which have binding obligation upon the guest as per the direction of Ministry of Civil Aviation, Government of India. You are required to wear a face mask covering your nose and mouth throughout the flight. This requirement will result in stringent consequences which may include removal from the aircraft while on ground and categorized and treated as an unruly passenger in flight. Thank you for your attention.
What goes up comes back down, and your day will come around. I don't wanna fix this. You already like this. Forgot. What goes up comes back down. What goes out comes around.
He's trying to get the screen work, but it's not working. Meanwhile, me. Actually, he's not giving me any pow. He's all for Matrix the moment. He's watching the movie and no pow for me. Let's see.
iPhone.
Dinner. This is what happens sometimes. This is what happens. In spite of telling everybody to sit down, nobody wants to sit.
What goes up, comes back down. What goes out, comes around. You're so dumb or reckless.
Makan mana? Look at my mama. He's pinching himself. Carry on.
No, not
Carry on. Carry on.
Bye, dear. Bye.
Oh, your beard is poking me now. Dotty got. Oh, wait. No, re Dotty. Dotty. No, don't jump, Dotty. I don't want you to jump.
Coming from us, surprise.
This is my home. I'm back home. My beautiful garden with some mangoes with my heroine Mai. Look at my heroine. Isn't she so beautiful? So okay. Oh, boy! Bari dusata. Sud gush gushit. Are you excited to see me?
I love you.
Chota bhai, bada bhai. Look at his bada bhai. What do you want to say, Carriel? How was my surprise?
I thought it is a dream.
How was my surprise?
Fantastic. Marvelous.